Today's news with Bob Stevenson and Stevenson Bob. Well, today, toothbrushes at Kroger are 50% off.
And second of all, scissors are a very good tool for toothbrushes.
See?
For example,
Now to Stevenson Bob with the weather.
so in Blacksburg, it is 75 degrees. Thank you.
Now to Bobby McFarlandson on the scene.
Thank you, Bob. Today, they're in New York City, New York. There has been a rampage of zebras.
This is the USS Open Tournament in ping pong. And it's shakalaka dama dee dama dama chama between Himba Sumba Sama Hama. There's Tuma Kaba Hiba Daba Duba Ha Ya. And there's Tommy How's only time. Let's go, guys. Let's go, show us. That's game. That's game. Thanks for watching the newscast. Thanks for watching the newscast. Thanks for watching the news. Thanks for watching the newscast.
Cast.
Thanks for watching the newscast.
Ow.